Welcome dear students in course Determinant of Quality of Life. We discuss today on yoga and its multidimensional values. In previous module, we discussed about the yoga. Content of this module are yoga and physical values, yoga and physiological values, yoga and psychological values, yoga and moral values, yoga and social values, and yoga and spiritual value, and at last take home message. Learning objective of this module are student will be able to recall internal body system affected by yoga, that example respiratory and circulatory. Student will be able to define moral values promoted through yogic philosophy, example ahimsa and satya. Student will be able to name the social benefit of group yoga session. Student will be able to identify key spiritual practices in yoga, example meditation and chanting. Student will be able to describe how yoga contributes to physical well-being. Student will be able to distinguish between yoga practices for strength, flexibility and endurance. Student will be able to assess the impact of regular yoga practices on physical fitness. Student will be able to design a daily yoga routine for improving physical health. Student will be able to compare physiological responses to yoga versus other physical activities. Student will be able to develop a yoga regimen for improving internal organ functions. Student will be able to explain the connection between yoga and stress reduction. Student will be able to reflect on personal emotional states before and after yoga session. Student will be able to create a journal documenting psychological changes through yoga. Student will be able to apply yogic moral principle in everyday decision making. Student will be able to examine moral dilemmas through the lens of yogic teaching. Student will be able to justify the role of yoga in cultivating ethical behavior. Student will be able to develop a personal moral code inspired by yogic value. Student will be able to describe how yoga encourages empathy and cooperation. Student will be able to participate in yoga-based social or community wellness program. Student will be able to analyze yoga role in building interpersonal relationship. Student will be able to evaluate yoga's potential in conflict resolution and social harmony. Student will be able to discuss the concept of self-realization in yogic tradition. Student will be able to explore how yoga fosters connections with higher consciousness. Student will be able to compare spiritual experiences through yoga with other traditions. Student will be able to organize a yoga workshop to promote social well-being. Student will be able to create a spiritual growth plan incorporating yogic practices. Yoga and physical value. Yoga activities, especially pranayam, help in the promotion and increase in strength and stamina of our lung power in terms of their expansion and contraction, enabling us to inhale maximum amount of oxygen in our body for the purification of our blood, beside helping in the proper circulation of the purified blood in all corners of our body. These aid us in regulating the respiration activities of our body, adding efficiency to our respiratory power, including an increase in its amplitude, stability and smoothness, and decrease the respiratory rate. These improve in the proper regulation of our blood pressure and heartbeat. These help us in normalization of the gastrointestinal, resulting in the proper regulation of the digestive function of our body. These provide valuable help in the proper functioning and control over the movement of our muscles, including the spinal cord. These also contribute to the desired increase in our muscular strength beside maintaining needed muscular flexibility and smoothness, resulting in the energetic youthfulness considerable for a quite long period of our life. This helps us in the maintenance of our body temperature, helpful in the avoidance of the emergence of the foul odors and bad smell on accident of the excessive sitting and perspiration of the body. These help us in improving on regulating and controlling the functioning of all the glands, including the ductless one. These activities make us enjoy a sound sleep, aid in gaining normal weight and getting increase in our power of endurance and energy level. These activities help us in bringing improvement in many of our motor functions, like increase in breath, holding time, and improvement in grip strength, dexterity, skills, eye, finger, coordination and reaction, rhyme, etc. These help us in purification of the inner organ and systems of our body, including the purification of our blood and its pathway, cleanliness of the respiratory and digestive system, and proper let out the excretion of the unwanted foreign material from a material accumulated in our body. These activities not only play as a strong deterrent for the prevention of various ailments and diseases, but also provide valuable solution for their proper care and treatment. Yoga and physiological values. Stable autonomic nervous system equilibrium with a tendency toward parasympathetic nervous system domain. Pulse rate decreases, respiratory rate decreases, blood pressure decreases, galvanic skin response increases, EEG alpha waves increases, EMG activity decreases, cardiovascular efficiency increases, respiratory efficiency increases, that is the respiratory amplitude and smoothness increases, tidal volume increases, vital capacity increases, breath holding time increases. Gastrointestinal function normalize, endocrine function normalize, excretory function improve, musculoskeletal flexibility and joint range of motion increases. Posture improve, strength and resiliency increase, endurance increases, energy level increases, weight normalize, sleep improves, immunity increases and pain decreases. Yoga and psychological value. It is well known that there lies a healthy mind in healthy body, maintained through logic activities. One can enjoy good mental health with a sound physical health through yogic activities. Yogic activities help in equipping one properly and sufficiently with all the essential cognitive and mental abilities and capacities for reaching the top of his intellectual and mental development. Yogic asanas, pranayama and practices of dhyan, dharana, dharan and samadhi can help an individual to have sufficient gain in terms of the improvement. in the power of concentration, memorization, attention, learning efficiency, steadiness, and mind-body neuroconnection, etc. Yogic activities help in making one's sense organ healthy, strong, and effectively functioning. In turn, it helps the individual to have a sizable enhance in their reception ability, somatic and kinesthetic awareness, and sensitivity for acquiring new knowledge and experiences through the use of their sense organs. Yoga provides the desired ability and strength for exercising desirable control over his senses, emotions, and gratification of desires and the fluctuations of mind. Sustaining of attention and concentration acquired through such control and restraint then may provide a sustainable ground for the development of intellectual powers. It can be given a further higher impetus by resorting to the practice of yogic activities like dharma, dhyan, and samadhi. Yoga helps not only to have purification and cleanliness of the internal organs and system of our body, but it also pays a lot of consideration for the purification of our inner self, that is, purification of our thoughts and feelings. It leads us to act wisely in the pursuance of our goal and thus ultimately to utilize our intellect for pursuit of a higher goal and objective of our life. Yogic activities help the individual to imbibe the spirit of self-awareness, confidence in one's ability and strength, self-discipline and intrinsic motivation, self-acceptance and self-actualization, etc., for seeking his maximum self-development and enhancement. On account of attaining purification and cleanliness of the thoughts and feeling through the yoga is able to lead a life free from hostility towards his self and others with regard to thoughts, feeling, and action. It makes individual relatively a calm and cool person, free from any unusual anxiety, depression, and fluctuation of mood or temperament. Such statements of one's mind may help him much in excelling in terms of his intellectual growth and wisdom. Yoga and moral values. Yoga helps an individual to exercise needed control and restraint over his senses and gratification of desire. And as a result, he tries to be the master of his senses and their gratification instead of being their slave. It can help him to lead a life based on ethical principles by remaining away from the allurement of roop, ras, gandh, sparsh, and swat. That means become the Jitendriya. Food habit and food intakes are said to influence the conduct and ways of one's behaving. The diet and food habit of the person practicing yoga are quite simple, sattvic and restrained. Thereby, it helps them in imbibing simplicity and austerity in their behavior and conduct. To get infected with unusual anger and the otherwise negative emotion like jealous, envy, hatred, enmity, etc., does not work well with the ethical sense and morality needed on the part of human being for the sake of welfare as well as seeking harmony with self and others. Yoga helps an individual in a big way for remaining away from such detrimental personality characteristics. Yoga activities help an individual to exercise proper control over the expression of his emotions and maintaining desirable emotional balance and equilibrium in his personal and social conduct. Yoga and social value. Yogic activities do not matter only for the personal development of the individual being, but also contribute significantly toward his proper social development and social living in the manner depicted below. Society consists of the individual. Good individual form a better society. To get engaged in the yoga sadhana makes an individual a good person. Such person practicing yoga then can help the establishment and functioning of a good and human society. Yoga provides such opportunities and experiences that help an individual to lead a path of virtue free from social evils and ill temptation like fraud, deceit, drugs, trafficking, bribery, alcoholism, black marketing, violence, sex crime, murder and deceit, and other antisocial behavior dependent heavily on the attachment of the worldly thing. Yoga and the spiritual value. Yoga and activities play a unique role in helping the individual to seek their spiritual development, beside helping them in their physical, mental, social and moral development, since all are very constituent of the same greater soul, the Supreme God. Therefore, it is quite imperative to have the feeling of equity and equality toward all the creation of the Almighty on the earth. One can realize that there is an existence of soul beyond the existence of our body and mind, and we must therefore strive to seek its proper realization and development besides our bodily and mental development. By getting engaged in yogic activities, one can have opportunity for the realization and development of supernatural power lying within his self. Yoga and its basis philosophy help us to realize an absolute truth, that the ultimate goal of our life is to attain self-realization and the merger of our soul into the greater soul. Yogic sadhana acquaints us with the means and ways to seek our union with the cosmos self and God, provide us a proper platform, ways and means for seeking one of the union with greater soul, that is the God. Equipped with proper physical development, disease-free body, develop intellect and the purified body, thoughts and feeling. The yogic method like dharma, dhyan and samadhi may draw an individual quite closer to self-realization and strive for attaining greater height to his spiritual development. In this way, yogic sadhana and activities help an individual to seek his maximum development and well-being in respect to the physical, mental, social, emotional, moral and spiritual dimension of his personality. This can help him not only in his personal and professional growth, but also help him to seek proper harmony and adjust with others, including his integration with the greater soul, that is the God. Yoga sadhana provide a valuable platform, ways and means for such self-improvement and enhancement of one's abilities and capacities that may contribute equally to one's personal development and social welfare, along with his desired spiritual development. For seeking the ultimate goals of his life, that is self-realization and integration with the greater self. It is therefore quite essential that we should introduce yoga as a compulsory subject of the school curriculum from the very beginning, for enabling the youngster to get benefited from multi-dimensional benefits of the yogic sadhana and activities. Take-home messages of these modules are: yoga is not just a physical exercise. It is a comprehensive life discipline that nurtures the body, mind and soul. Through consistent practices, individual can cultivate balance and harmony across multiple dimensions of life. Physically, yoga enhances strength, flexibility and endurance, contributing to the healthier, more resilient body. Physiological, it supports the optimal functioning of internal system like the respiratory, circulatory and endocrine system, fostering holistic wellness. Psychologically, yoga helps manage stress, improve focus and nurtures emotional stability, aiding mental well-being. Morally, the ethical teaching of yoga promote values such as truthfulness, non-violence and self-discipline, encouraging a life of integrity and mindfulness. Socially, yoga fosters empathy, compassion and meaningful connections, strengthening community bonds and interpersonal relationships. Spiritually, it connects individuals to their inner selves and to a higher consciousness, promoting peace, purpose and self-realization. Thank you.